कॉफी रील बाकी है।
लेमन ड्यू का इसमें हम कॉफी गोकर्णा का तेरे को याद है जो हमने रील डाली थी जिसमें शॉर्ट बाय शॉर्ट सेम शॉर्ट्स आर द सेम, मतलब वी स्टार्ट विद द
हाँ क्या
1 million
सॉरी
launch के लिए।
हाँ हाँ चलो
ठीक है।
तानिया
हाँ हो गया।
yeah.
So what is a phone addiction exactly? If you're spending too much time scrolling on your phone mindlessly. Second, if you find yourself getting distracted very easily by your phone in between your main work. The third is if it's also affecting your productivity levels at various activities. And the fourth is if it is also affecting your mental well-being. अब अगर इनमें से कोई भी चीज़ें आपको affect कर रही हैं, then I think you must consciously act upon your phone usage or phone screen time. Hi guys, I'm Tanya Khanijo and you guys must be wondering that why am I talking about my phone usage in today's video, because it sounds a little counterintuitive, right? Because my work literally revolves around social media and creating content. But at some level, I feel like even I have been consuming a lot of social media of late and it is just generally not healthy for anybody. Yes, my work does revolve around a lot of screen usage, which means I spend a lot of time editing on my laptop, a lot of time on my phone for posting for social media, or also in front of the TV if I'm casually viewing something while eating dinner. But I think of all these things, abhi mera current phone usage time is almost 5 hours 50 minutes ish, which is almost tending to 6 hours, and I would really love to, of all my screen usage, cut back on my phone usage the most. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some tips of how you can be cutting back on your phone usage and whether or not these tips also work on me and how you can do it without taking any drastic steps like locking away your phone or deleting social media apps. So yes, let's get started. On a side note though, in case you guys are wondering कि मेरा morning routine आजकल कैसा चल रहा है, because I shared about it in the previous video. It's been going really well because I've been working out daily and waking up on time every single day. But the one downside of working out every day is that your hair gets really sweaty. At least mine, on my crown, it gets really sweaty and also frizzy very easily. So you know, these days I've been using the BioLart Smooth Proof range as part of a collaboration and I've been really loving it because the range contains a shampoo, conditioner and a serum. And once I'm done shampooing and conditioning my hair, I touch it up with this serum, which has 6-in-1 benefits, and also it contains avocado and grapeseed oil. And some of the benefits that you can expect from it are that your hair is going to be frizz-free, it's going to get detangled quite easily, and also if you have rough ends like mine, because my hair is chemically treated, then also this range is perfect for you. So in case you are also looking for a perfect solution for your hair to make it look nice and tamed and manageable, then do check out the entire range because it has been doing wonders to my hair on days that I do wash them. So yes, let's head over to the rest of the week now. So today is day 1 of my attempt to use my phone lesser. I will keep my phone on silent for most part of the day, and also I will avoid usage of my phone during the morning hours as soon as I wake up and when I'm getting dressed and working out and all, and also at least 1 hour before I sleep. So these are all the rules for day 1.
क्या कर रही है ताने? बस ये लास्ट रील देख रही हूँ. There's this girl who's jumping. चलो तुझे सेंड कर रही हूँ फिर बंद कर रही हूँ.
बंद कर दो. This is what ends up happening. I think I'm not I have to change the rule and keep my phone away while working. किसी hidden spot में I think day 2 में मुझे छुपाना पड़ेगा phone. यार तुम क्या देखना पसंद करोगे? TV पे? Should we watch something fun? Cat videos for example. It's currently 8:30 PM and मेरा work day खत्म हो चुका है. Moving on to what is my screen time today. 3 hours 21 minutes, and I guess the reason for that is because I saved a lot of time away from screen in the morning before I started working, although I must admit I was pretty distracted for a very long time even during work. Hi guys and welcome to day 2. अगर मैं सच कहूँ तो मेरे कल रात का स्क्रीन टाइम थोड़ा सा बढ़ चुका है to 4 hours 12 minutes. I just checked right now क्योंकि after recording the video and I was so happy कि ये my screen time was so less today, मैंने रात को I made this mistake of sitting on my phone before sleeping. But today is a new day. It's day 2. And if I'm being honest, आज का मेरा time सिर्फ 23 minutes रहा up till right now. It's 1 o'clock. मैंने ये video थोड़ी सी late record करनी शुरू की because I just wanted to get done with a lot of work before I give you an update. And since morning till 1 p.m. right now, I have just spent 23 minutes on the phone, which is great because I did not take it to the bathroom with me. I did not use a lot of it after waking up, and I just got done with my tasks. And अब 23 minutes हुआ है phone पे. Let's see how the day progresses. No problem, हो जाएगा. No problem. I think integration में it works. All right.
And night you're struggling. Forget the past and make some new plans. Don't blame yourself under the circumstances. Tomorrow you'll get another chance. Stop your grieving. You need to start healing.
Good morning, guys. It is day 3 and there's something very exciting that I want to share with you all today, and that is कि कल का मेरा phone screen time was just 2 hours 30 minutes and I feel so happy about it. I am feeling like I have really done something very successful in life as of today क्योंकि मैंने इतना low screen time अपनी ज़िंदगी में कभी नहीं achieve किया. As long as I'm feeling happy, as long as I'm not scrolling too much and not feeling too distracted from my phone, it is a success.
Just go through the transformation now. Change everything. You know success is your creation.
So last night I did the worst thing that anybody can do to themselves, and that is doing some nighttime scrolling. I don't know if you ever experienced this, but जब आप बहुत सारे posts देखते हो social media पे, especially right before sleeping, it sort of makes you feel a little sad about your own life in some ways. ऐसे लगता है that you're insufficient, you're not doing good enough. And this always happens to me whenever I'm looking at social media at night, and I made the mistake of doing that last night. And today I feel like I'm having a really bad morning. I missed somebody at the door at 7:30 a.m. and it's 8 a.m. right now, and I feel terrible about it, and I think I just want to compensate by doing a lot of work today and also going for a run even though it is 8 a.m.
All the loving words. Where have all your sweet dreams gone now? Change everything. Just go through the transformation now. Change everything.
Today during my run, I realized something really cool, and that is कि आप अपने फ़ोन को productively भी तो use कर सकते हो. Like I know that over the past also, whenever I felt like I was using my phone too much, I always switched to things that would make me feel more productive, that would make me feel like I've used it in some way which is actually helping me instead of working against me. So today while running, I was listening to an audiobook, and I generally enjoy listening to audiobooks because I feel like they're a very faster and efficient way of reading books, because you can do it while even pursuing activities like running, or if you're driving you can hear an audiobook. So I did that this morning, and I feel like it definitely makes me feel happy about my phone usage instead of making me feel like I did something wrong.
Dreams gone now. Change everything. Just go through the transformation now. Change everything. You know success is your creation. Change everything. Just go through the transformation now. Change everything. You know success.
It is day 6, and today my sweatshirt is also dedicated to cat plus coffee because it's called Cat Puccino. So finally it's day 7. I can't believe it's been 7 long days since I've consciously been trying to reduce my phone screen time. Now in these 7 days, 2 things have happened. It's not like I've become an expert or I know everything about how to manage my phone time, or I'm not getting distracted at all by my phone. But this week I've noticed that over the last couple of days at least, my phone time significantly came down to around 3 hours 30 minutes, which I think is a big positive. Anything below that means that I'm also affecting my work, because जिस दिन मैंने सिर्फ 2 घंटे spend किए थे अपने phone पे 2 hours 30 minutes, I do not post at all on social media. And sometimes I also have to use my phone for like editing photos or posting to social media, tweets, YouTube comments, all of that. So obviously कुछ time तो मेरा phone पे spend होता ही होता है. I can't do away with it entirely. But on any given day, all of these things, even if I spend my time leisurely on my phone, should not exceed more than 3 hours 30 minutes. And also towards the end of the video, I wanted to summarize that which tips worked for me, which tips did not work for me, and where do I stand at with my overall phone screen time. So I started off with 6 hours 18 minutes on Wednesday. उसके बाद मेरा phone screen time on day 1 was actually 4 hours 12 minutes, and on the second day it dramatically came down to 2 hours 32 minutes. I think on this day I did cut back on social media quite significantly, even if it was about work. So this wasn't ideal for me. On Saturday I overcompensated by scrolling a lot and spending 4 hours and 1 minute on my phone. The day after that was also no better, just a 5 minute save at 3 hours 55 minutes. And उसके बाद 3 hours 13 minutes, 3 hours 51 minutes, and finally 3 hours 22 minutes as of today. So overall, I think the graph did go down, and that makes me really happy. And amongst all the tips that seem to have worked for me, I think switching off notifications really helped, and also using my phone productively made me feel really happy. Also, I would try and avoid my phone as much as possible on every single morning, which did seem to work at least. And it wasn't very difficult to stick to if you especially keep your phone very far away from wherever it is that you're waking up or wherever it is that you're sleeping. The one problem that did seem to persist was that I couldn't keep myself away from my phone at night time, and it did make me feel a little guilty later on. Although I think even I have to give it a better shot at doing so and keep trying. Basically, that is what a lifestyle choice is all about. I would like to continue with this trend of not using my phone for more than 3 hours 30 minutes on any given day, and perhaps even bring my time down. So with this, I'll see you next time with another video. I hope this video gave you some food for thought of how much time you're actually spending on your phone and how much time do you really need on it. And I hope it also left you with effective tips of how to get rid of your excessive phone usage. I'll see you next time with another video, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video, leave a comment down below, and also click on the bell notification icon for more such videos. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.